Brothers, bonding over a bloody nose. In his second directorial outing, Karan Malhotra lays the foundation well, but lets the edifice crumble. He brings out the equations within a family with intrigue and emotions after aging Gary Fernandez with trembling fingers comes out of jail. Karan slowly unravels why Gary went behind bars, what happened to Maria, the wife he seemed to be obsessed with, why he is estranged from his older son David, and what created a rift between David and half-brother Monty. In fact, your heart goes out to Monty as he plays the kind of role Jugal Hansraj did in Masoom. With the two brothers set to clash, the interval point is reached engagingly. Set against the backdrop of street fighting which acquires the lofty name of mixed martial arts, the post-interval story completely crashes. The Right to Fight Championship, which is announced as if it's as profound as the right to information, doesn't throw up any thrills. There are several tepid rounds inside the ring between each brother and a multitude of world champions. The predictability of the finale, which will find the two brothers pitched against each other, weakens the impact of the initial rounds. In the last bout between David and Monty, amidst the constant pummeling of each other's body and face, is an emotional catharsis and rekindling of old bonds. I guess that's what's called wrestling with your emotions. Karan Malhotra falters so much in the second half that he adds a totally unnecessary tearjerker between David and his ailing daughter, where he can't go with her to hospital the next day because he has his big fight. So she'll have to go with only mummy this time. After this, the director conveniently forgets the kid and the hospital visit as the wife turns up to cheer the husband. This kind of indolent writing is evident all through the second half. It's rather mature of Akshay Kumar to play older brother David when it's Monty, played by handsome hunk Siddharth Malhotra, who gets the sympathy vote. Jackie Shroff, who plays Gary, the father of both heroes, is like a Persian carpet as his performances get better with age. Shefali Shah does well as Maria, who lives with an alcoholic husband who also strays from the straight and narrow. Kareena Kapoor's Mary, Saw Taka Teri, is not a patch on Chikni Chameli from the director's earlier film Agnipath. For a film that nosedives after an efficient takeoff, Brothers gets a 2.5-star rating.